Hi, today I am going to tell you how to get free life from the debt with credit cards in step-by-step instructions. Having a charge card can be an extraordinary thing, yet when an individual gets into an affirmative obligation because of extreme spending, MasterCard step will begin to turn into an issue. Taking care of debts usually and capably is the initial step to escaping obligation. It might take somewhat longer than merely taking care of the base regularly scheduled installment, yet it is well justified, despite all the trouble at long last. There are numerous choices accessible to assist you with getting help from the MasterCard obligation. In some cases, an ideal option is to see an expert and set up an installment plan with them. There are numerous administrations accessible that can offer you budgetary arrangements if you need to escape MasterCard's obligation rapidly. What is the purpose of money related difficulties? A few people have been shopping on a visa that they need more cash for. A Visa bill can collect rapidly, and afterward, you're left with paying the equalization toward the month's end. You can decide to make your installment on the following accessible bill or make a little installment first and afterward utilize the additional add-up to pay the essentials that have accumulated. The issue with numerous individuals who have an excess of charge card obligation is that they don't see how to get help from the burden. Commonly, this can prompt pressure and wretchedness. At the point when somebody has a lot of obligation, they will feel like they have lost control of their funds and they feel powerless. Credit card debt relief due to coronavirus. The initial step to escaping obligation is to start to following your ways of managing money. You don't need to spend more than you make with the goal that you can avoid the obligation. This is a significant mistake that the vast majority make. When you have defined an objective, you will have the option to adhere to your arrangement. If you subscribe to your spending plan, you won't be enticed to get something that is pointless. This will decrease the impulse to get through more cash to compensate for the money that you have spent on unnecessary things. Another choice for somebody needing to realize how to get help from the obligation is to talk with an expert money related organization. You can converse with your guide or discover an organization online that offers exhortations on the most proficient method to deal with your account. In many cases, it is the monetary organizer that can provide you with the best answer for disposing of the obligation and refocus. Credit card debt relief. How to pay off credit card debt when you have no money. One choice is to attempt to renegotiate your obligation with your lenders with a commitment to the executes plan. The upsides of this arrangement are that it permits you to haggle with your loan basis and do things that they need you to do. It very well may be an approach to assume responsibility for your accounts, and it can assist you with taking care of the equalizations quicker. The way to escaping obligation is to be dependable with the cash that you have given. Fundamentally, you see how to plan your money financially and what your salary ought to be. You likewise should be straightforward with yourself about your ways of managing money. Seeing how to get help from the obligation that you have gathered with MasterCards can be exceptionally troublesome. It will take some exploration to locate the correct answer. Be that as it may, when you have the appropriate responses, you will have the option to discover approaches to dispose of your MasterCard obligation for the last time. Thanks, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to create or to bring uh, this type of topics in front of you. Thank you all. Bye.